I know for a fact you're gonna need this. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As always, we really appreciate it.
Mama.
If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny. This is my daughter Aria. And today we're going to be... ¿Qué vamos a hacer?
Sí.
Today we're going to be baking... ¿Qué vamos a hacer? ¿Qué es esto?
Cookie.
Cookies! Yay! Oh, by the way, it's the three of us. So today we're going to be making Valentine's Day cookies. This is the first time I'm attempting to make these kind of cookies. So on top of that, I'm attempting it to do it with a toddler. So this should be very interesting. But we got some cute little heart cutouts. So hopefully what we're gonna do today is not just any cookie, it's heart-shaped cookies for Valentine's Day. I'm very excited. Aria loves cooking, so making these videos is very interesting, but they're a lot of fun and you guys really enjoy them. So that's what we're gonna be doing for today. Without any further ado, I learned from last time, I can't make the intro too long. Abre.
Yeah.
Abrimos, okay. Alrighty guys, so without any further ado, let's start making cookies. Fist bump. Alright. Okay, so we need an egg, butter, and flour. We need a bowl. Empezar con el huevo. Vamos a empezar con el huevo. Okay. Aquí. Hazlo aquí. Y ahora aquí, crack it. Muy bien. Ahora acuérdate que you gotta give this to mama when we're all done, okay? Y ahora acuérdate que el huevo en la boca no, okay? El huevo en la boca no. You gotta mix it. No. Toma, mix it. No. Ay, el huevo en la boca no. Toma. Ponlo acá adentro. Muy bien, pero hay más. Sigue. ¡Yay! No. You gotta mix it, mira. Okay, alright, we gotta do flour. All-purpose flour.
No.
Okay, vamos a poner 3 teaspoons de flour. Mira, flour. Uno. No, ponlo acá. Aria, no. Okay, hay que poner más flour. Ready, 1. Ponlo allá adentro. 2, 2 y 3. 2 y 3. Muy bien. Ahora vamos a ponerle mantequilla, butter. Butter. Vamos a poner this whole thing in there. Cógelo y ponlo allá adentro. No. Oh, allá adentro. There you go. Ay, Aria. Okay, now we gotta mix it. You're supposed to melt the butter, Aria. We have to melt the butter. My butter. Because we messed up. Mira, pon el butter aquí. Oh my god, did you put much butter. Está caliente, okay? So be careful. Put it in there. Cógelo desde aquí. Ponlo aquí. Oh my God. I'm scared. ¿Sí? Ponlo ahí. Go. Yay! Caliente. Más mantequilla. Más butter. Put it right there. Oh. Yay! Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Okay. No. Aria. Are you mixing? Mírate la cara. Oh my gosh. Mira la cara de Aria. You look crazy. Shake, shake. Ahí hay que poner flour. Ponlo ahí. Ajá. Yeah, now spread it around. Muévelo con las manos. Con las manos así. Go. I don't know if we put too much. I think we put too much. Aria, oh my, what happened? Okay, wait. I think we're supposed to like roll it out. No, Aria, en el pelo no. Oh my goodness.
Papa.
How's a cookie dough? Ay, mira, esto de Aria. Mira, así. Roll it out. Muy bien. Good job. Así, así. Oh, I'm sweating, Aria. Okay, now, mira. Okay, look. Now let's do the cutout. Mira. Coja así. Okay, and wow, otro.
Sí.
Aquí, go press it. Muy bien. Otro. Muy bien.
Ma.
Okay, now I think we have to like take it out. Pon el papel aquí.
Papa.
Oh, I think we're just gonna make one cookie. Okay, Aria, mira. Look. What? Oh, wait. Oh, wow. Are you ready? ¿Están ready para el oven?
Aye.
Okay, ready? The oven's hot.
Aye. Aye.
All right. That was a lot, but a lot more difficult than I thought. Now, we wait 7 minutes and we'll be back. Aria, dile, we'll be back. Okay, Aria, we gotta show a todo el mundo cómo nos salieron los cookies. Look, you guys, we made the biggest heart cookies ever.
Sí.
Okay, let's decorate the heart ones.
Esto. Okay.
Those are for Dada. We're gonna give these to Dada for Valentine's Day. See? Are you ready?
Sí.
Okay.
Ready.
Ready? Aquí. Good job. Aquí, aquí. Good job, Aria.
Mano. Vamos.
Good job, Aria. ¿Quieres hacer otro color?
Sí.
Wow. Oh, más. I'll do one. Yo hago esta. Mira, Aria, yo hice un corazón.
Va. Yo.
Corazón. Yay. Ok, mira, spread it. Con esto así. Good job. No. Good job. ¿Le quieres poner blanco?
Sí.
Ok, go. Squeeze it. Más duro. Squeeze. There you go. We're all done?
Bye.
Muéstrale your cookie. Mira. So, wow. You have to bite the entire cookie. No, esa es tuya. Y esta es para Dada.
Sí.
Alrighty, Aria. Are we all done?
Dada.
See, esta we're gonna give it to Dada for Valentine's Day. Okay, bye-bye. Tell everyone, please don't forget to subscribe. Also, please don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up. Alright, tú puedes hacer un thumbs up. Yay! Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more like it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna go ahead and enjoy our cookies. Or some of us are already enjoying it, but alrighty guys, really appreciate it, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!